Hello gardeners, hydro growers. Welcome to the new video on from Nagpur Hydroponics. So we come up with an unboxing video of a nutrient combo set. This is a nutrient combo set which is for hydroponics, soil farming and soilless farming. So it is a complete combo pack for all kind of farming process. So this is a 200 ml bottle pack which consists of all suitable nutrient which you required for your hydroponic setup as well as for your soilless farming if you are using a coco pit or vermiculite or perlite based farming, then this set can be used for that also. So let's unbox this nutrient combo set. So what you get is initially this kind of box which when you just open, what initially you get is these leaflets. This is the instruction manual how to use this nutrient fertilizer bottle, and this is also instruction manual which we'll be keeping it aside for right now. Just removing all the stuff inside this box. Yeah, what you get inside this is 5 glass bottles which is very nicely packed so that it can reach to your place at very safe in a safe condition. So I'll just quickly remove all those bottles and then we'll arrange it in a line and just know each and every thing about the nutrient pack. This is the empty cartoon which I'll be keeping it aside, and what we get is these 5 bottles. These 5 bottles consist of nutrient inside it. Yeah. So I'll be arranging it line by line. 1, 2. This is 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 bottles what you'll get. As I have told instruction manual, you'll get a dropper to put the quantity of nutrient fertilizer in your tank, nutrient tank I should say. This is the refill pack for nutrient 5 and this is the refill pack for nutrient 4. Then next what you'll get is these pH up sachet pack which you have to mix it in 100 ml bottle, and this is pH down, same for 100 ml bottle you have to mix it. So what you'll get, how you have to mix entire nutrient, this is completely written in this instruction sheet. You'll just have to follow the instruction which is written here and you'll be able to make a master solution of fertilizer. Later the dosage value is also written in this manual at how much quantity you have to put your nutrient in your nutrient tank. Then next what you'll get is the every vegetable has different need, the pH seedling during seedling stage and vegetation stage and fruiting stage, what ppm you have to maintain. And next you'll get is your daily log wherein you'll be just noting down the pH, TDS and temperature whenever you are topping up your nutrient tank or whenever you are changing the complete entire nutrient. So what you have to do is, there is a marking provided in this bottle. So just you have to use the RO water which is slightly soft, like less than 150 or 120 TDS. If your RO normal tap water is having the TDS of less than 150, then you can use it here. Otherwise it is very much recommended that use distilled water. Just you need 1 liter of distilled water and your master solution will be exactly at very like concentrated, in a concentrated form. the solution which this bottle will consist of, it will be a stable solution if you are using a distilled water. Elsewhere you can use RO water if your water is soft, that is within 60 TDS to 121 TDS. So that just you have to fill this bottle till here and use as per the dosage. Then the main is why you might have confusion that we have used a glass bottle, like you can see this is the glass bottle. So why we have used the glass bottle, that is these are nutrient salt, these are chemicals. So whenever we use a plastic bottle, this is a master solution. Like this 200 ml will last for approximately 5 to 6 months, depending upon how much planter hydroponic system or setup you have. So minimum it will last for around 3 to 4 to 5 months. So this is a master solution, like this is a master blend. So that's why this has to be in a very concentrated and good form. So that's why we have used a glass bottle, because it won't react with these chemical which is inside it. If you will be using a plastic bottle, then there is a chances of toxicity, and even your plant would show some symptoms. So that's why we have used a glass bottle. It is highly recommended to use the glass bottle. Then entire instruction is written over here. Then in this we have used the calcium nitrate fertilizer. So it is better to use a warm water while mixing it, because the calcium nitrate mixability is slightly lesser as compared to all other fertilizer. So the solubility is less, hence it is recommended to use slightly a warm water to just entirely mix this water soluble fertilizer. These fertilizer are 100% water soluble. So just you need to put the water till here and just shake it till it mix it, and when it is mixed you can use it. There is a note that whenever you use this fertilizer for top up purpose, just before using it, just shake it and then use it, use in your nutrient tank. Okay, so this is all about the nutrient combo set.